Now I request our chief guest, Dr. J. Chowdary Garu, to address the future scientists.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you. Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, when Srikanth asked me to come for a function, I didn't ask what is that function is all about. Because Srikanth, he will not leave me without taking my yes for any of his events. So I thought anyway I had to go. So I say yes to him. So I did not even look at what is the function, what I am supposed to speak. Only about 24 hours back, I looked at what is the 6D. Then I asked him to come down to my office and asked him to explain what he's trying to do. Then I came to know the kind of purpose, and I really appreciate Srikanth for taking this subject. The reason is, I'll tell you, recently when I was in US, about 1.5 months, I was just traveling in different parts of United States of America. I met a lot of CEOs, CXOs, many corporate leaders. Everybody was talking about the impact of generative AI, what is going to happen. In fact, one gentleman, he heads the entire North America for a multi-billion-dollar company, and they employ more than 2 lakh employees around the globe. And he was telling that Ivy League universities like Purdue University, Penn State University, all of those universities, they keep on producing a lot of graduates, undergraduates, and researchers and all that. This year I was told that the moment the student says, I come from XYZ University, my background is computer science or related to computer science, not even internships, no jobs, no internships. Oh, you know only programming. No, we are not required. And I was telling the same thing is happening in India. First time, most of the premier institutions like IITs, IIITs, no campus interviews. Suddenly, already the tsunami, I was thinking that tsunami may come little later. Looks like the tsunami is already impacting the job market. In India in particular, I have seen myself, when we started promoting Hyderabad before the high-tech city, there are no jobs here, no, not even a single company. When we started the software technology park and started bringing the companies, particularly during Y2K time, if somebody says, I know ABCD of any language, any computer science languages, they used to be recruited and they used to go get a H1 visa and they used to go to America. In fact, there used to be a story called Amirpet to America. You know where is Amirpet? Amirpet has got the largest number of IT training institutions in the world. If somebody in Silicon Valley, they want to change the job, they first come to Hyderabad, go to Amirpet and see which are the boards which are more popular. Then they pick up, oh, this is the one which is going to get me a new job. Then they start getting the training. That popular was the Amirpet. And during Y2K days, I have seen myself, some people with BA third class, they came to me for a job. I told them, because I don't have any job in government, for particularly BA, BCom people, I told them, you learn some COBOL. I introduced them some training institution. They got COBOL training, IBM training, and they got finally into Wall Street. Today they are all entrepreneurs. They are making tons of money. They are all ordinary degree people. So that was the situation in those days, right? Today, even BTechs from IITs, BTechs from Purdue University or Penn State University, the moment they say computer science or IT, they are not getting jobs. Why? Because this has become a tool, right? Then I was wondering, with 1.5 billion population, this country, all these years we were able to create jobs in the IT services in the areas. If the jobs are not going to be there, existing people also will be laid off, then how the new generation, the youngsters who are coming out of the engineering colleges and degree colleges, where do they get jobs? When Srikanth met me, then I thought, okay, seems to be a good area. Then I Googled on life sciences and future of life sciences and all that. It looks like this is a gold mine. Why it's a gold mine? Because future quantum computing. How many people know about quantum computing? Okay. What is quantum computing? It's all physics, quantum physics, right? Similarly, they're talking about quantum chemistry, quantum biology, everything related to that kind of, and also not only the quantum computing is going to be much more powerful than what is the regular computing today, plus the generative AI. These two are deadly tools for the drug discovery. The whatever the conference today. Earlier, drug discovery is to take years, sometimes 10 years, 15 years, and all that. For example, Bharat Biotech, he mentioned. I know both the founders, Krishna and Suchitra Yella. I know what kind of effort has gone in developing those vaccines. It takes minimum 5 to 10 years for them to develop those vaccines. Thanks to COVID. During COVID, the whole world realized, how they can shorten that life cycle of creating new vaccines. Within no time, they were able to identify what is the problem and able to get all the clinical trials done, and vaccines were released, and vaccines were sent to not only the Indian citizens all over the globe. So that's when the biotechnology companies, the life sciences companies, they figured out they did not have to wait for 5 years or 10 years to discover new vaccine or new kind of a medicine. And there is a possibility that they can shorten that life cycle. That is an opportunity today. Particularly India, with a lot of engineering colleges, a lot of science colleges, but engineering may not be, not engineering means only IT-related engineering. IT is a tool. Sanjeev, I hope you agree with me, because you employ thousands of people who are all BTech. See, I am also computer science, MTech from IIT Madras. Today, if you see that it's a tool, whereas you should know the basic civil engineering, mechanical engineering, metallurgical engineering, aeronautical engineering, then life sciences. All these things are more relevant. This tool can be applied in all these fields. But unfortunately, all the engineering college, private engineering colleges in particular, because there is a demand for IT, they removed civil engineering, they removed mechanical engineering. When I asked one of the founders of this private university, why you don't have mechanical branch, why you don't have civil engineering branch? Sir, what to do? The parents are not allowing their kids to join. Then without student, how can I run these departments? So we closed the departments, we removed all the faculty from the university. Today we have only tool-based engineering colleges or universities. That's not good. In fact, I was told, I did not read this news article, but somebody was telling to me, there was a news article published in the Wall Street Journal that India has got a lopsided education model. They're only providing the training on the tool-based training. They don't have the cross-domain knowledge, experts in the other areas and all that. I think whatever they have published is true. If you go in that path, I don't know how people will get jobs. That's where I really appreciate Srikanth for taking this initiative, creating, at least bringing the awareness. Forget about whether he's going to create million jobs or 500,000 jobs. That's a secondary kind of a thing. At least creating the awareness that jobs are going to be plenty in the other sciences, life sciences, biotechnology, biomedical engineering, all these chemists, civil engineering, mechanical engineering. In fact, when there is a geopolitical situation, when majority of the MNC companies, particularly US companies, want to relocate from China, they looked at India. When they came to India, they figured out there is no manpower. Everybody says, I know COBOL, I know Python, I know these tools, but they are not good at the electrical side of it, or the chemical side of it, or infrastructure side of it. So that manpower is not available. That's why they have to go to Vietnam, then Philippines, and some of those countries. We lost that opportunity. Even now, it's not too late, but we have to train those people. Then only, whatever our Honorable Prime Minister says, Make in India. How do you create Make in India companies here without raw material? So that raw material has to be created in all the segments. It's a great initiative. I really congratulate and appreciate what Srikanth has taken the right steps. So that is the right step in the right direction. And particularly for youth, you're all aspiring. You all want job or you want to become entrepreneurs? Jobs? How many people want jobs? Raise your hand. Only one. Rest of them, they came to listen to his Harikatha, Purakatha. Here, ఇక్కడ మేము హరికథ చెప్దాం అనుకున్నారా? You want jobs or not? But you are not raising. Only few people still. Anyway, if you want jobs, catch hold of Srikanth, follow what is trying to do. That is the direction. Even before I leave, there was a World Economic Forum report published last year. I saw the report when I was there in Singapore addressing the Thai Global Summit. In that report, they clearly said there is a future of work. They said next 5 years, 80 million jobs, conventional jobs will be removed because of the automation. And they also say 60 million new jobs are going to be created. These 60 million new jobs for people who have got the cross-domain skills. Only those people will get those jobs. So, it is absolutely necessary for you to have the domain skills and maybe the other skills related to what the jobs are going to be, which sector jobs are going to come by. We are all there to support you, but you have to open up your eyes and say that how quickly you can learn this new direction, new tools, new knowledge, then only you will be relevant in this world. With this, I want to thank Srikanth and his team for giving me this opportunity to learn. First of all, I am also learning what are these jobs available in the. In fact, the morning I found one YouTube video, immediately sent it to him. There, you don't have to worry about whether there is a teacher, no teacher. Go to YouTube. Whatever you want to learn, you can learn in no time. Only you should have interest to learn. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. As Jay sir was mentioning, they have seen the Y2K revolution, and today for life sciences, bio and drug discovery and beyond, this is the Y2K moment for India after the COVID, and we are going to see a surge of new kinds of jobs, digital, of course, and also the domain expertise put together, that is bio, life sciences, pharma, nutra, and there are a lot of other specialities that Dr. Usha and Dr. Aarti are going to give you more idea about. So thank you, sir.